Country's infrastructure is getting old, and we need to dig up these old pipes and put in new ones.
Congressman Tim Ryan talking about the action the government must take now to prevent water problems across the country in the future. Today, the federal government announced it's sending $400,000 to Sebring after its recent water crisis.
That money is expected to help alert people faster and sooner when potential problems arise. And state and local leaders say it's just one part of the solution. 27 First News reporter Amanda Smith has tonight's top story at 6.
The federal government says new technology will help keep lead out of Sebring water, and they're willing to help foot the bill.
This should be an important early warning system for the Sebring Water Department and for the residents.
The money is coming from the USDA. Spokesman Tony Logan says the grants will help install a new automatic system that won't need to wait for EPA action to kick in.
Closely monitors the water at the plant and changes the pH level if it looks like it could cause lead migration in the pipes of the households.
Last summer, pH levels in the water at the plant dipped so low that the water started eating away at lead-soldered pipes. That sent lead into the faucets and bathtubs of older homes all around the village. But it wasn't until January, months later, that the EPA warned people to stop drinking their water until it could be tested. Contaminated water was also found at area schools. Drinking water was passed out for weeks, and dozens of pregnant women and children were tested for lead poisoning. It became a public health crisis.
That's why we were able to get the money and why we were able to get it relatively quickly, so that people here can be certain that their small children and their pregnant wife or mother can be safe.
Brown says the lead problem that happened in Sebring could happen anywhere, and he's calling for new regulations on testing and warning water customers.
No parent should ever have to fear for her children's drinking water.
Congressman Tim Ryan says it's time to find ways to replace aging infrastructure.
Roads, bridges, water, sewer into the future is only going to cost us more money, more ill health, more kids that get lead poisoning, on and on. We've got to suck it up and reinvest back into the country, and we've got to find the resources available to be able to do that.
Reporting in Sebring, Amanda Smith, WKBN 27 First News.